this is how fun it is to whip snow donuts on an icy parking lot. I can't even move now. Come on. I can't even move. Look at this. Snowy parking lot, just a little bit. And I can't even move, I'm stuck. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's see. We need an all-wheel drive winter car. That's what we need. There we go. All right. Once you get the momentum going, it is moving, but let's see. I hope there are no cars there, please. No cars, no cars, no cars. All right, no cars. All right, can we get some traction here? There we go. So this is the parking lot. It's all ice. Let's see if we can get some traction here. Second gear. I do have a 60-pound bag of stuff in the trunk for added weight. Okay, and we're good. By the way, so we just got home, and even though this car is not great for snow donuts, I've got to say it's an awesome highway cruiser. We had a lot of fun. We drove through a lot of iffy conditions, and check it out. This is the aftermath. So maybe let's start with the front. The front has signs of me going through some deep terrain, which I thought was deep snow, but ended up being deep mud. And actually, I got a lot of looks from people who were amazed that I had a lot of snow on top of my lip. But check this out. I talk about this lip all the time. It's fantastic. It takes so much abuse. I mean, you could see I do have Expel film on the headlamps, so I'm not worried about them getting scratched or anything like that. The wheels look awesome. Now I drove through a lot of questionable stuff, so even my mud flaps could not protect me completely. Yes, they protected me a lot, but there's just no avoiding that stuff, especially when you're spinning donuts. And this is the aftermath of me spinning donuts. And look what happens when you open the door. It kind of gets in here a little bit on the inside. Yeah, it's very, very dirty. This time I skipped the sunroof because I kind of wanted to go, or rather the snowboard rack. I wanted to go faster, and I put all that stuff, all my equipment, in the trunk. Check this out. What this mud flap does, it protects any sort of this area from getting sandblasted with stones. It's not going to protect from sort of water dripping and all that stuff, but it's awesome. The back always gets dusty, and I gotta say, there's something about a dirty car. I don't know what it is, but I just love me a dirty car. On the Krapovich exhaust, I love the way this thing sounds. I probably shouldn't be doing it, but yeah, I love the way it sounds. What I usually do is I usually clean the camera. There we go. But yeah, all this salt and stuff is pretty much caked on the car, so I'm gonna have to do thorough cleaning. But yeah, let's see what happens underneath the car. This is the car underneath. You see it? Woo-hoo-hoo. Maybe not much to see. And again, on this side, just a mirror image of what you saw on the other side. Yeah, a lot of sort of mud and all that stuff, only because again I was having some fun and doing donuts in the mud. or I was attempting to do donuts in the mud. Yeah, and it wasn't really working out. Oh, and let me show you also what's in the trunk. This is how I travel when I go snowboarding. I usually have a bin for all my stuff. I have a plastic bag for my dirty boots at the end of the day. And I do have my heavy bag here. This is a 60-pound bag of stuff just to add some extra weight in case I get stuck in the snow. And yeah, so that's pretty much it. Oh yeah, let's open the hood to see if the engine bay gets dirty when you drive through crazy stuff like this. Nope. The engine bay stays squeaky clean. Check this out. I am gonna be doing spark plugs. I got another check engine light today. It is for a misfire. I have a tune, stage 1 tune, and I'm still running OEM plugs, so that's gonna be coming up soon. But other than that, yeah, this intake sounds fantastic. I love it. Whoops. How did this salt get in here? Must have been a pretty big splash. But yeah, let's close it. And this is it. So yeah, very weird video today, but thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.